Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change default keyboard on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install any keyboard which you like. For an example, I will install this keyboard. After you install the keyboard on your smartphone, then go to your home screen and open Settings. From here, just tap on System and Update, then tap on Keyboard and Input Method. From here, just tap on Manage Keyboards and make sure you enable the toggle in front of the keyboard name which you have downloaded and select Activate. And after you activate the keyboard from here, then go back and tap on Current Keyboard. And from here, you will be able to change the default keyboard to the keyboard which you have downloaded, just like that. And this is how you can change the default keyboard on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.